Harsh Sharma from Steady Die Casting Solution, and welcome to all participants. So this webinar is all about the recognizing and the control flow defect, right? So there is what we know, what we think we know, and what we don't know. This pre-course question, as you are seeing on your screen. So these pre-question are designed to help us determine what you know and think you know and don't know. So please take out some sheet or paper if you have, and write down the number 1 to 12 down. And please write down an answer as I read this question. And you think if you don't know the answer for a question, just leave it blank. See, all right. So this is not the test for this session. It is just a pre-test. So I'm going to just uh, speak this question. So what are the name of three die casting? First you come in your mind. And the second is which is more important for good casting surface finish? The alloy or the metal pressure? What will happen if the metal temperature is too high? Does the gate velocity of the metal influence the die temperature? What is the minimum temperature for aluminum to get the very good surface finish? The sixth one is what happens if the die spray time and the casting cycle time are both increased? What changes can be made to correct cold flow defects when other things remain the same but the gate area is reduced? What happened to the plunger tip? What happens when the gate size, the plunger size, and the hydraulic pressure all are increased? When the plunger diameter is decreased, what happens to the fill time? What happens when the vents in a die are filled with the flash? The die spray time, cycle time, and cooling water flow must be all controlled within set limit to reduce consistent quality casting. So the all question are designed in a such a manner. So we will get the all answer from this webinar, and you can say all the question will covered in this webinar. After this webinar, you are able to answer this question if you don't have yet. All right. So